Okay, let's go see what's new at the stores. Okay, let's go see what's new at the stores. Okay, today I'm getting out there and hitting the stores. So let me know if you like this kind of video. I was recently on Banana Republic Factory's website and they have so many good things. So I was like, let me be your foot soldier and get out there and see what they actually have so I can show you a lot more items a lot closer up. And also I'll link some other ones that I saw online down below. So definitely take a look. They're having a great sale, Labor Day sale as well. So definitely check that out. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm going to be doing a few more of these videos. Let me know a store you would like me to go check out. So that way I can just cover more stuff and quicker. And like this video so that YouTube presses it out to more ladies, and let's go shopping. Okay, first up we have some turtlenecks, lots of colors, and it is their Soft Luxe collection, 50% off right now. Lots of colors, lots of sizes. It is a turtleneck with an elbow sleeve length, and I love this quilted jacket, so cute. Look at the bottom, and it is kind of in a soft white. I love the buttons and the zipper. It has some pockets here. Really cute, all lined. And this one's an extra small, so it looks like it runs oversized. And this one is water resistant. And next, these really cute trousers. They're in a black cotton and lyocell blend, a straight leg mid-rise, nice pockets, button and zip-like closure. There are belt loops, and then some super soft tank tops too, 98% cotton, also 50% off. And they have those trousers in a really nice fall green, and of course a khaki color, and that jacket in a nice fall green as well. Oh, and those pants come in a light beige or light tan color as well. So lots of color choices, a really cute one. Probably try those on. And then I have so many of their cotton tees. These are really nice. It's got nice arm coverage, feels really soft, and this white is not see-through. It does have a real light ribbing on it as well. Of course, those are all on sale. And another fall jacket, also water resistant. This is a beautiful camel shade, and it does have the 4 pockets, all workable. And this does have a side slotted pocket as well, because sometimes I do not like when they only have the 4 pockets. Beautifully lined. Some staple items, ribbed tees and tank tops, only $12. So lots of great layering items. This is such a cute elevated jacket just to throw on if you're going out or for work. It still looks really like elevated, but really comfortable as well. It's a nice knit material and a really nice kind of sagey green color. Okay, this is really interesting. I am not sure if I'm a fan. It kind of reminded me of a cow print with like a green and black. So an interesting dress. The dress looks like it'd be cute, but I'm not sure about this print. But if you wanted something more classic, similar to the summer set, they do have that in a beautiful shade of green, nice ruffle at the bottom, lots of sizes, and these are on sale as well. And some wide leg, high rise, kind of satiny, all in the same shade. So they are loving this color. You could say they have a lot of things in this almost muted teal. It definitely looks better in person than it's showing up on camera. But if you love this kind of neutral color, they got a lot of it. And a beautiful classic cotton blend skirt. It's got a front slit, no belt loops, but it does have side slotted pockets and a side zipper entrance there. And then they have it in green as well. And this is the darker green, like the jacket, not this shade of blue-green. Ooh, I love this sweater. Really cute, a classic. It has a thick banding at the bottom and some button detail at the sleeve with a crew neck. And this is a 55% cotton polyester nylon blend. Feels really nice though. And a cardigan version with buttons. There's that cute little jacket in a more neutral shade in a tan. Nice little blouse, no tuck top. Arm coverage there. Let me know if you think this print looks cow print as well. That's what the vibe I'm getting. But this is a cute cropped button up, the hidden button placard. Oh, they have the slouch purse in a dark brown. That's so cute. It looks really similar to the one that I got from Quince, but they didn't have this shade. And this is 125, so I'm guessing it's faux suede, but it feels really nice. And there is a button closure and an interior zip pocket, so some good storage space. Really, really cute. And then I wanted to show you guys this coat. So it's their wool coat, but it's actually mostly a polyester blend. And so this is the stuff that I kind of look at all the time. I mean, it looks beautiful here, and it even feels nice, but wearing it, it would just not feel good. And really these days you can find something in a lot more wool content than this, so I would say this is something to pass on. They have this listed for $350. Some boat neck, crew neck sweaters, really cute. They are like 50-something% cotton and then polyester, so they do feel nice. They're a nice lightweight material. I don't find it see-through, really not in here, but you may want to wear something under. A little faux suede skirt. It's got a back zip. I love this denim jacket with the big patch pockets, really cute with the crop look. And then they have this little dress with the spaghetti straps and a cowl neck, but you could purchase a little top to go over it to make it into a more covering dress. And a beautiful white jumpsuit. It does not look see-through. It is wrinkled here. I'm surprised I didn't steam it out, but I feel like once you steamed it, it's lined, it would keep its shape. But for me, I wouldn't get this because there's a back zipper, and I hate to be trapped in a bathroom and need help. But it is beautiful if that doesn't bother you. And then this is that bluish green shade again. Really pretty dress if you have a wedding or something coming up like that. And then a sleeved option as well, with a little nipped in waist. And they do have it in a navy if you like a more classic style. So a lot of good dress options if you have a fall event in these nice fall colors. I love this zip up sweater, really nice, such a pretty color. And some crew neck options, and I love Banana Republic's denim as well. The girlfriend jean, $20 for a pair of nice quality denim. They're even selling skinny jeans. This is a cute 100% cotton top. It is a little cropped, it has a fitted side zip, but arm coverage, and that kind of is what it is. Back is really cute too. It's got some shirring there. Cut cropped jeans. I saw this one online, and it is a lightweight denim. It actually feels really nice. It is 97% cotton. It's cute. The pattern actually looks nice, not cartoony. A neat black blouse. It's got buttons, long sleeves, and just a neat pattern on it. A nice fall winter top, and it does come in a solid green, which feels like it's a lot more cotton, and it also comes in a fuchsia and a white that feels cotton. I keep seeing this style of jacket everywhere. It's growing on me. I think it's really cute. It's like a cottony denim looking jacket. the zipper and side slotted pockets, and kind of a boucle filling jacket. It's got patch pockets. This is in a navy blue. Pretty simple, classic, and it does come in this kind of oatmeal color as well. Faux suede long jacket. It's a pretty shade of brown. And then these little utility style pants. You can dress them up or just wear them with loafers. They're really cute. They have a stretchy waist. Come in several colors. Side slotted pockets. Little tie, and they just feel real lightweight. So some cargo pockets there. A different kind of pant. And if you like loading up on loungewear, they have some lovely items. I'd say some wide leg or straight leg bottoms, sweatpants with pockets, no drawstring, and then some kind of elevated tops. So you still get that cozy look, but it's not a traditional hoodie. It does have some buttons, and it does have side slotted pockets and a collar for a little nicer look. It doesn't have that inside soft, fuzzy feel. It feels the same on the outside as the inside. And then some crew neck options in the same material. Hi, good. And then probably one of my favorite things for years and years is the Forever sweater. If you've never tried it, you have to. It's such a great lightweight option. I just love having these on hand. They feel great. They're the perfect weight, and several colors. And how about an elevated long covering dress? This would be so cute with boots and a really pretty wool coat over, a statement necklace. Comes in black and this orange color as well. A beautiful light blue cotton shirt dress with a pretty tie in the front. That one's long, and they still have some summer styles available in a nice cotton poplin. Another longtime love, Banana Republic's trench coats, and this is so classic. Just lovely, perfect shade. It is lined with the BR emblem, and it has just all the traditional raincoat things. I always forget what they're called, but all this stuff. And the Forever sweater, one of my favorites. And this is a nice filling pant, pull-on pant, pretty minimalistic if you want something comfy. It feels like a linen blend. It does have side slotted pockets, no belt loops or zippers or anything. It does have a stretchy waistband, and it looks like some pockets in the back. And it is a tapered ankle fit. Comes in some other classic shades. If you need a cute little fall lightweight jacket, this would be great over a dress or a top, and have, you know, a little top and a skirt for church or a meeting or girls lunch out. And it does come in a black as well. So some of these are collared and some are not, but it's a nice satiny blouse, long sleeve, for a really pretty fall winter look. Maybe you have a holiday party coming up. I think it's just a classic fall winter elevated look. And they do have some short sleeve versions as well. If you're a layering girl like me, I like these all year round because I just put a third layer on. Really pretty low mock neck sweater. I love the ribbed band at the bottom and the low neck, but really covering, really pretty color too. If you are looking for that slouch bag, these are an extra big size, I'd say. And I always love Banana Republic belts. I always have to hit the jewelry at all my favorite stores. They always have so much cute stuff, and when you can get it on sale, it's such a good deal. I love this ribbed top. It's real thin. This color is gorgeous though. I love the buttons and the ribbing, lightweight. I wouldn't go for the white, it looks way too thin, but the other colors, they're still thin, but they could work. They look really pretty. This is that stretch back pant, the stretchy back waist. If you don't have a vest yet, this is a beautiful dark denim shade. Okay, a lot going on here with a barrel ultra high rise. So a really big barrel leg and pleats. It's in the same denim as the vest, so it could be a cute look. And here's that suede coat again in a lighter color. I kind of like the darker one. What do you think? Oh, I love this blazer with the already ruched sleeves. That just makes it easier. It's how I always wear them, in a beautiful camel color, lined, so pretty. And an elevated barn jacket look, very cute. I love this color, and it has like a faux leather collar, really, really cute. And here's that ruched blazer in a fun yellow. If you like brighter colors, I'm a neutrals gal. And a nice midi length denim skirt. These are very popular this fall. I've been seeing them everywhere. And this is nice, it has a back slit, back pockets, normal 5-pocket styling. These are really cute blouses. They just look short. Oh, and it's open in the front. So this would almost be a better third layer, but it is arm covering, it does look short. It does have the ties in the front, and it comes in a denim, a print, and a white. The white seems kind of sheer though. Cute little short denim dress, and the buttons do button and unbutton, and I like the little tab closure, really cute. It does have back pockets, nice medium wash. This was one I was interested in how it felt, because I did pick some of these up from Anthropologie in cotton, and they're a little bit different. These do have the silicone lining to stay up. They're a lot more lightweight. They have a zipper. I like this rust color. So these are nice. A nice strapless peplum top you could layer, really cute. And some barrel ankle jeans in a leopard print. These remind me of the ones that I tried on from Walmart. So funny. So if you got the Walmart ones, you probably got a deal. A nice, I love this cobalt blue, and they have it out. So a nice classic cardigan, feels great, beautiful ribbing. And then they have it in a beautiful soft white as well. These feel nice. They're a wide leg faux suede pant in a beautiful color. And here's more of that leopard print jacket, very full. I didn't want to film all the men's stuff, but there's a few key pieces. I thought this shirt was really cool if you have a anniversary or birthday coming up. And then of course this jacket, it has the corduroy collar, so nice. So I think those are good gift ideas. If you have a guy in your life that you're shopping for, while you're shopping here, you could check out the men's sale items because they have really good deals on them. I wish they had this suede jacket in a woman's. That's so pretty. Beautiful shade of green and a bomber style jacket. That is way too big though for me, but sometimes I find stuff in the men's department. And they also have it in a classic brown and a non-suede option. These ribbed polo tops too are really nice. Kind of an elevated basic. This corduroy jacket, so cool, looks so nice. And it's a great price and on sale. Some fun print button-ups, a deep green corduroy pants, also in navy and brown. Some classic tees, also fun stripes and some solids. Okay, let me know what you thought of this Banana Republic Factory in-store shop around. I would love to get your feedback because I am new at this and I want to do it well. So let me know, should I talk more? Should I talk less? Can I put more info on the screen? Less? More information underneath. There is a lot of things to look at, so I am going to try to link as much as possible. Of course, ask me any questions if you have any, and hopefully this was fun and entertaining and informative for you. I'm glad that you came along on this adventure with me, and I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me. I hope that you have a really great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.